He's
running away from me.
Yeah. That's what he's doing. He's gonna die. Because he's been a Billy.
I'm only this good because I've been destroyed by so many games by the people I lane against with Matt.
Our purple wall is under attack. Arcane mysteries I will show you.
AB, what you think of the game? Clay, I love this game. I've been enjoying every minute I've been playing it. I've also been playing a lot of Deadlock lately, though, so I haven't gotten very far. Something about this feels even worse than what we've dealt with before.
Take this gift.
Warden is missing.
Yeah, why did I get Warden? I was supposed to be against 7.
Yeah, I was wondering who you were against because I saw this.
Do it.
This game takes forever to actually make money. Like the shop's been open for a week, right? I'm on day 7. 9 o'clock is when the shop actually ends. So see all these people starting to. In case there's any doubt, except for apparently the warden who's way up on yellow.
Bird's looking for you. Can't
I didn't do anywhere near enough.
Come on, team.
Stop messing around and buy something.
Oh shit, just getting I'm keeping pretty much 3 of them busy here. And I got one of them very low.
At the earn
I guess
drop-off
actually
point?
only 2 right
Or...
now. No, at the walker I'm at. 3 of them are just busy fighting me all the time. Everybody just came back, so yeah. They're heading to earn now, though, so I'm gonna rotate over with them.
Yo, I want the beginning set, bro. Clear yellow.
Anyone got purple or yellow? Yeah. Okay.
Well, this day got a lot more exciting. Nice to be free of those nasty.
There we go. Just to give us an even more solid lead. Well, I got 1 kill. Whew.
Alright. It was a 2 for 2 map wide. Well, I guess they got.
If I do something stupid, you ain't gotta follow me.
Gotta build me some backup. Building a barrier. Time for a little help.
We're just vibing. Really?
Got him.
Okay.
Time for some demolition. Come on quick.
No, he didn't.
We're not dying today.
You gotta be kidding me right now. He had 2 squares of health, and somehow he turned that around. What is that? Alright, let me run away from Hayes, because apparently if she sees someone farming, she thinks, hey, I can farm too. Right in the same camp as you. That life.
I'm constantly having
I mean, you find him everywhere in dungeons. It's like the main reward.
There's also, I think, a trinket.
Don't really want any of those things. Alright, I need more money.
I need a chump to get their health.
All right, buddy, give him hell.
Guinness. Good luck completing the ritual.
Our blue walker has been destroyed.
Nope.
Minions! Haha, my prison kept her in the minions!
Cut that out.
I'll go blue, I guess.
Putting down a turret. This is got Ray.
With him in general, so that's positive. I'm gonna back and buy. Oh, 7? 7 always needs help. That's not.
Shit. Run.
One ability is everything. Alright.
You got
You good, you
soldier
good.
trade. You have a good eye. For the missus. Big fan.
Why was he there, though? Why was he there, man?
Our blue walker is under
Could have been
attack.
farming, man. Whew. Okay.
Our purple guardian is being destroyed.
Turret's up. Time for
Give an event a shot. Well, I'm going 1 and 2. I'm at 3.3, but they're not that good at fighting. My laner's going 3-4. They're up on us by about $1,000 a piece.
Our yellow walker has been destroyed. The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Setting up a turret.
And we got minions pouring in through the other side too.
Gotta get as many of these up as I can. We're staying in this fight.
Yeah, he was there all along. Once he's in the rift, he'll go back to normal. Wonderful. Why is the throne all jacked? I was like, once I'm out of this cube, it's double jump 4 button. Did not.
Oh, you got cubed? Nice.
I did get cubed, but they were all surrounding me when I was coming out of the cube, so I'm like, I have one option in that.
Son of a bitch.
There we go. Got my flex slot. Ooh, somebody wants to dance. All right. Woo! Love it. Love dying like that with all the CC.
Isn't it great? Gotta get that unstoppable, bro.
Be unstoppable.
Yeah. That actually might be what I'm saving up for next. After I buy Warpstone.
We're almost there. I got $5,000 in an open slot, but I'm like, yeah, if I could just fill it with like glass cannon or something, I feel like that'd be better. You know what I mean? Abrams.
Yeah, but the survivability is very nice.
Abrams, no one can help you. We're all on the other side of the map, my guy. Should I just type back, you have rejuve? Just whatever, man.
Just fight it, man.
Oh, maybe he's looking to push in.
Death brings consequences once more.
And away we go.
Let's see if we can get Yamato to turn around. Never mind. Wow, is this a lot of movement speed on this ability?
Excellent.
To stop Dynamo.
I go where I
There we go. I got unstoppable.
I'll slip right through them.
Need help on green.
I'm headed to you, Hayes, as soon as I'm back.
Pull back.
Nap time.
I'm heading back.
We should probably group and fight, or actually, maybe wait till mid boss comes back up, get mid boss again.
The OSIC
Or try to.
aren't investigating me, right, Hayes?
Okay, I just put silencer on.
Oh, very nice.
Listen, I've never used it. I don't know that I'm gonna be any good at using it, but it's there.
You just pop it before you ult.
Right. So instead of like trying to dagger somebody, I'm just gonna be invisible, pop it, and then all. Seems like the move.
Nice.
Disgusting.
Trying.
Your time runs short. Soon you will.
Their patron is exposed.
That can be mental.
Finish their patron.
Protect the room.
Stay in, I'll shove waves.
God, Dang, that dynamo almost did as much damage as me. That's crazy, though.
Ugh. Thomas says dynamo problems. That was almost half an hour ago, though. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't see any of those, Tom.
And I did the. Oh, I like these stats.
Yeah, you got a lot of medals there. All the damage and the healing.
All the damage and the damage negation things.
Became the damage. You really controlled the numbers in this game. Oh, goodness. That was fun for me. It's 12-14, though. It's definitely a 40-minute game.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get Dipinskiing.
Dipinskiing? All right, I'll Dipinski as well, then. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching the stream, though. Talk to y'all another time.
Turrets online.
Give me 50 seconds.
I see 7.
Oh yeah.
Let's take out McGinnis.
Good job.
Thanks.
Hold on. Bebop. Bebop's a tank. Or, like, supposed
Listen.
to be a bulkier character, right?
There's a reason I didn't know we had a Bebop until I was literally running down a lane with him on my side, and I was like, where have you been?
It's a fair point.
But, like, Bebop's the guy with the
You do die.
All right, buddy, give him hell.
The Rejuvenator is descending.
But I don't know how y'all are feeling.
Nah, I can't say that though.
Yeah, I've just played a lot of Deadlock today, so I think I'm good for tonight.
Gotcha. All right.
Later, gentlemen.
Good night, Matthew. I'm gonna try to get us that other flex slot real quick. There we go.
Oh, what? Like free money.
Turrets up. Gotta stock up on those medical supplies. Throwing down
Here's
a
a
heal.
heal.
Turrets online.
Sometimes you need a laser, sometimes you just need your fist.
Oh, Seven's going for the damn early game, huh? I guess I'm gonna meet him there.
Live.
I also think my entire page is literally nothing but Lady Geist now. After the last game.
Nice.
Pick my Vindicta game one.
Oh, you wanted to fight me?
Our walker is under attack.
Build some firepower.
Yeah, because dresser drawer is like a fabric. She's got tobacco warped so she can climb inside it.
Way to throw hands.
I tried.
Gotta get as many of these up as I can. We gotta build me some backup.
I got stun on them.
Deploying heal. Putting down a took out Kelvin.
I don't know what to do this
Did
fucking.
they really?
I'll disperse them.
Oh, snap. Saved by the pocket, maybe?
The spirit earth
Yeah,
is waiting
we
to
saved.
be claimed.
help. Gotta build me some backup.
Not the Vindicta half. She's going crazy. She's so mad.
Wraith, I'm gonna gank on green because they've got 3 there.
You're clever. Faint and fled. Lash living up to his reputation.
Oh snap! It's just you. I'm out here. There's 2 of them. All right. Well, I might be okay actually. Now that I'm seeing what's happening. On yellow.
Our blue walker is under attack.
How they? These guys are insane, dude. I've never faced a level. I love how I'm playing with Fonz right now. I'm facing players I've never a level I've never played before.
Get as many of these up as I can.
Like of how good they are.
Good deal. We're not running up any crazy resource issues either. I got the task manager like up over here, so looks like everything's pretty steady.
Yeah, it's pretty behind.
Smell spray selling like hotcakes for some reason. Fun stuff.
Got that healing booster, bro. I'm gonna be healing like a beast.
Nice.
No, I don't go selling these.
Not as good as Leech, but still good. Oh, they're going for mid boss. There we go.
Gotta build me some backup.
Oh, I'm gonna pick that Infernus so hard.
Walker is under attack.
My goodness. A couple of opening sales just get us $75 off the bat. 2 copies of the same board game. Insane. Absolutely insane. They didn't want me going for that shrine again.
I misplayed that pretty bit.
Turrets online. Demolition time.
Oh. I can do 1 more, maybe 2.
Oh,
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2. Just gotta make sure this is a quick one. That's all.
Yeah, we gotta stomp it. Or get stomped.
Got flooded. But it's not like the people there ever left their house anyway. On account of everything closes at 4 p.m.
Guys.
What are you saying? They're old.
I can kind of fight their whole team.
Nice.
Cutting them off. when I'm dead, I need to spend.
Maybe kill this.
You want the 7?
Oh, there's someone purple.
Or somewhere away from the fight, and I'm like, guys, if
Yeah.
y'all don't get out here and do something, we're going to lose the whole fight.
Couldn't describe it better, because that happened to me literally right before it happened to you.
Defenses are up. My
So what's the other?
I see 7.
Got the urn.
I love when cats do stuff like this. Get in the weirdest places.
Defenses are up.
Mid-boss has arrived.
That's how you do it.
Our walker is